Hi, welcome to Wealth Spikes, Empowering Trading and Investments. This is a Tanglish version. We will see yesterday's market happenings. The market opened with good global clues, which is actually quite good, but it didn't have any major impact on the market. In fact, no metals had a fall. The reason could be China, that COVID impact and the major news which came out day before yesterday, that could be the dampener, wherein that is metals are predominantly dependent on Chinese market. It was not a very strong market yesterday, it was quite weak. Then, in spite of that, we came out with some good recommendations from the short-term investment point of view. These are all good recommendations which we people have, approved them as equity analysts and fund managers. So you can seriously consider them. Number one, let us start with Asian Paints. Asian Paints, you can go for a buy with the current market price of 3,000 with a target of 3,550. Then TVS Motors, you can go for a buy with the current market price of 577 with a target of 688. Next one is Indian Hotel Company Limited. You can buy at the current market price of 214 with a target of 260. And the next one is Gateway District Parks Limited. You can buy at the current market price of 265 with a target of 347. Next one is Shoppers Stop. You can buy at the current market price of 337 with a target of 404. These are good calls. We have given the company details and we have also given the validation also why we are asking you to go for a buy. With proper validation we are given. Kindly go through the details in the Facebook link given below and please do join the Facebook group as such. It will help you a lot in terms of trading and investment decisions. You will be getting a lot of information from this page. Please do join. The link is given below. And the good news for traders also came in. The good news is there is a change in the lot size with effect from 29th October. The lot size is being brought down. So what is the advantage for a trader? A trader can trade and he can buy lots at a lesser cost. That's a major advantage for a trader. That's one aspect. From the trading point of view, that's a very good news. All of us traders enjoyed it. Next one is top Diwali stocks were also given, for this Muhurat trading. Stocks which can now rally up to 47% in 1 year. The details are given, stock details with the validation. The entire list is given in the Facebook page link given. Please go through that patiently. One by one, all are good stocks. Then in terms of trades, we had some good trades as well. Index power play strategy, we had a nifty trade. We came out with profit also. Apart from that, we also had a good trade in STR Transfin. We did profit booking at 1545, we did profit booking. PEL also we did profit booking at 2600. These were the three good trades that we had yesterday. Apart from that, where in terms of results, how the market is getting affected, market sentiments are primarily affected due to the good results that companies come out with. Adan the market or strength actually. Federal Bank came out with results. Perisa impact but the good thing about the result was NPAs were down. That was actually the good thing about the result. It didn't have any impact on banking stock as well. But ICICI, due to the result expectation on Saturday, that is today, there is major hype in the market. ICICI was doing very well yesterday in the market. In fact, ICICI has come out with a very good result also today. That we will see separately. After that, S Bank came out with the result. If you ask me, it didn't have any impact. S Bank is more of a dead snake if you ask me. Because we have better good stocks in Bank Nifty to focus on. And there is one common question which many of our traders and investors ask us. That is, which is the best time to buy stocks? This is a common question. The normal reply what I give is, when you don't feel like buying, that is, when the market is really up. But there are still people who buy stocks when the market is really up because they look at dips in good stocks and they buy. That's one strategy. Second strategy is, when the market is completely down, they search for diamonds and buy. That's the second strategy. So you can follow either the first or second strategy. The details or detailed analysis has been given by an authority called as Paras Parikh. He is an authority in the subject. A detailed article is given in the Facebook page link. Kindly go through that article. It will help you a lot. It's a very interesting article also, especially for traders and for investors also. Why you should get into a particular stock at what time. All that is given in detail. Don't miss it. Then the next announcement, as big time announcement I should say, has come from Paytm for the next IPO. It's a big grand gala IPO because the value is 16,600 crores. we will come out with a separate episode on this, whether you should buy this IPO or not. இதுக்காகவே ஒரு separate episode நாங்க கொண்டுறோம். You can see that and then you can now take a call whether you want to enter this IPO or not. Apart from that, another pic uploaded in the Facebook page that will show you the journey of NoSensex from 1990 from just 1000 points. இப்போ உள்ள current status 2021 to 60,000. So 1000 to 60,000 you can see the whole journey. You can see many dips, but the one common factor what you can see in the market is whenever there is a dip, the market will revive instantly within a very short span of time. The dip will not continue for a major long time. And nothing happens overnight. That's what we say all our investors. That is, we as a group of qualified personal finance professionals and certified finance professionals, we give suggestions, guidance for our investors to meet their financial goals by investing in good funds. The common advice that we give is nothing happens overnight. You will have to wait. So that is what we have conveyed with this pic as such. அதுக்கு ஒரு செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு பிக் இருக்கு, அதுவும் you can go through now. Next good news is the NJBAF we suggested our investors had a fantastic response from the market. BAF crossed 5,000 crores yesterday, which is again a record in the industry. We are yet to get the exact numbers. We are still waiting for the numbers. Shortly we'll come to know about it. Thank you so much for investors for your overwhelming response. We had a fantastic response. So many investors have invested, for their financial goals based on this fund, and this fund will do very well. Based on the past track record, I can give this commitment to you. And for SIP beginners who want to start their SIP, this can be a fantastic time because the next 10 years, this market will do very well because no major happenings can happen in the next 10 years, wherein the market is going to grow extremely well. Then Gland Pharma came out with the results. It was an okay result. Nothing much to say about. Apart from that, there's a good news for you. Normally, people invest in equity, either directly through equity stocks or through good funds they invest to meet their financial goals. However, commodity is actually one area people have predominantly ignored. There is no much of awareness about commodity. But if you see the reality, to trade in commodity, it is quite easy while compared to equity because commodity purely works on demand and supply mechanism. அது ஒரே ஒரு ஃபேக்டர் மட்டும்தான் can affect commodity as such. So from the trading point of view, it is easy. But we are going to give you a very good call now for commodity. But it is not from the trading point of view, it is from the investing point of view. Please see the details given in the Facebook link. Copper and nickel from investment point of view. Positional call. Time frame is 3 months time. Suitable for diversification. For people who have already invested in equity, either நல்ல ஒரு opportunity இருக்கலாம் to diversify into commodity. Also for non-speculators. Please make a note. This is for non-speculators. Details are given in the Facebook page. Please go through. This is a very good call. Reliance came out with very good numbers. The result was very good. Oil and gas was up by 30%. EBITDA. They have grown very well even during the COVID time. Net profit was up 46%. Earning per share was up by 40.7%. Quarterly EBITDA from digital services was up by 14%. Retail revenue was up by 10.5%. Retail of EBITDA was up by 74.2%. New energy, that's where they are getting into. That's a strategic move by Reliance Industries. All the divisions, including retail, oil and gas, media, and O2C, all divisions did very well. Reliance is a blue-eyed boy of the stock market, a heavyweight champion, a big daddy, and I can keep adding many more words because I still remember even some time back, people used to say Reliance Industries used to carry the whole load of Nifty. The whole Nifty was bought by Reliance as such. That is the kind of weightage what Reliance used to have. But now the condition is slightly different with more other heavyweight champions doing quite well. But for some time back that used to be the case. But however, still I have very high hopes on Reliance. Reliance is a multi-bagger. I still bet on Reliance very well and it's a very good long-term stock. Overall, it is a feel-good factor when Reliance comes out with good results and the market gets lot more positive sentiments with such good results. So if you want to invest in good funds, please do open an account with us with the link given below in the description. You can invest in good mutual funds which we can suggest you. If you want to trade along with us, please do click on the link given below in the description. You can open an account, you can trade along with us. We will teach you how to trade. And apart from that, please do like, subscribe, comment and share. We want your support. We will come out with more information in the next episode, and the next episode will be a very, very interesting episode. I will not tell you the subject name now. It will be a very interesting episode. So we'll see tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you for staying back. Bye bye.